Maximum power transfer theorem. Here, the maximum power determined from the theorem. So, see here, the circuit, resistors, voltage sources, current sources, resistors, voltage sources, current controlled voltage sources, current controlled current sources, voltage controlled voltage sources, voltage controlled current sources, and the terminals A and B at terminals across the resistance, load resistance is RL, current is IR. So now, so here so here power transferred to load is in general the power from source to load, the power transferred from the source to load. That means here power transferred to load is generally we can say PL is equal. The current is IL and the load resistance is RL here. Power formula is PL is equal to in general power transferred. PL is equal to I square RL. So I square RL. So now here the power transferred to the load is I square PL is equal to I square RL. For a given black box, what is the value of RL for which PL is maximum? They are asking what is the value of RL and for which PL is maximum. Which PL is maximum? So we have to determine these things. Now see maximum power transfer theorem. Replace the black box with its Thevenin's equivalent. Here I determine the here across the AN terminal are open circuited. That means here RL is removed, load is removed, and then calculated the Thevenin's equivalent resistance and Thevenin's equivalent voltage. See here, VTH is determined from the above circuit and RTH also determined from the above circuit where they given the terminals and these are in series with the RL. So this is the maximum power and generally Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Here now maximum power transfer theorem. Here current IL is equal to generally in this circuit equivalent circuit is VATH by RTH plus RL. So the power transferred to the load is PL. So here in generally the power transferred to the load formula is PL is equal to IL square into RL. IL square into RL. So here IL is equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. So now here PL is equal we can write V square, Thevenin's V square into RL by RTH plus RL whole square. So this is the formula for the power transfer to the load. Here only in terms of the voltage, Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's equivalent voltage and Thevenin's resistance and load. This is the formula. Very very important. PL is equal to VTH whole square into RL by RTH plus RL whole square. So now for we want maximum power. For that we need maximum power. So we can derivative the so formula load power formula. So we need the derivation dPL by dRL is equal to 0. Here the load resistance is varying. So here derivative, the power is derivative with respect to the load resistance dPL by dRL. dPL by dRL that equal to 0. In general that equal to 0. By derivating this load power, we get RTH plus RL whole square minus RL into 2 RTH plus RL divided by RTH plus RL power of the 4 equal to 0. That is nothing but here we get RTH plus RL equal to 2RL. Here RL is equal to RTH. Finally, what we get here, RL is equal to RTH. How we can get? To get the maximum power, we can derivative with respect to the load resistance. Why load resistance? It is varying quantity. The load is varying quantity. So here derivative with respect to the load. The power is derivative with respect to the load resistance. So by derivating this, we can get RL is equal to RTH. This is the maximum power transfer theorem. So condition when RL is equal to RTH, get the maximum power. So now see here, by observing this graph, see load power versus